All right, y'all, this is Billy from Drifter Vans. We are on our way right now to go pick up Rebecca. It is her reveal day. We are super excited for her to get her van today. All right, Rebecca, so I've heard a little bit about your story, but I was just curious of why you decided to go with a van.
Yeah, absolutely. So I love to travel, and I've always kind of wanted a conversion van. I travel a bit for my business. Like I was telling you about, we train dogs, so we play service dogs all across the country. This is Benji, my travel buddy, and he'll be accompanying me on most of the trips. So that's why I decided to get a van, and I heard great things about Drifter. I actually used to work with Josh, who you guys did a series on at Chelsea Piers in New York City. So I used to be a personal trainer there. So
oh my gosh, that's fantastic.
So I saw him, and then that's how I found you guys, and now I'm here. You ready? He's like, I have no idea what's going on.
All right, you ready?
Yes, sure.
Here we go.
Benji, look. Come on. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is so cool. What do you think, buddy? This is beautiful. Wow. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys do such a lovely job. This is so cool. Love it. I love the colors. Everything turned out really nicely.
Yeah.
They did such a nice job. Absolutely perfect. It's everything I wanted. The designers did such a great job with the color, and so I'm super excited, and I'll definitely be sharing some of my adventures and tagging you guys in it. So thank you so much.